Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm MT the Beauty. So in this video I'm gonna show you all how I install my Pixie lace frontal. So if you're interested to know how I do that, please keep watching. Thank you. Mwah. So I start by giving myself a rough cornrow, and this is just to lay my head in the flat position so that like I can put on my stocking cap and it should be in the flat position. So I'm not gonna do a neat job, I'm just gonna roughly cornrow my hair. So as you can see, the hair is roughly done. You don't need to make it perfect, so you just, once as it's in the flat position, the job is done. Okay, so I use my stocking wig cap. I had laid it on my head, and now I'm cutting off the excess cap, and here I just cut it off. And from there I go ahead with my foundation and just blend it on the cap so it gives that false cap look through the frontal lace wig. So just blend that mostly at the front part of the head. And here is the Doris hair. This is a hair that I bought, and I got this hair from Aliexpress. It's a pixie curly frontal, I think 13 by 4, and it's really soft and curly. So I think I got it for $50 or $55. You all be like, so Marie, you bought your hair from China? Yeah, I got my hair from China. Okay, so that's why I always get my hair, and the price is moderate. If you're interested, I'll put the link in my description box so you can get yours. Okay, so slay in this summer. So I got it 50 or 55, I'm not sure, but anyways, I'm gonna put the price in at the description box. So it has the comb in the cap, and it came with the stocking, wig cap, a strap, and baby hairbrush. So yeah, that is it. So it was sent together with the wig, so that's not bad. So here I'm just going ahead to cut the excess lace at the back of the wig just to get it out of the way. And from there I try to, you know, put on the wig to try to fit it on to see the how it fits on my head. So right here I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace around my ear. So you just need to be careful so you don't cut yourself. So here I was trying to do it where you guys could see, and I was trying to make sure I don't, you know, cut my ear off. So just do it on both sides. Don't worry about you know, cutting off your lace or whatever. You just need to cut off the excess because you're not gonna need it. So just cut off the excess, and that's pretty much it. And I go ahead with my Got2b spray, and here I'm just gonna roughly spray the Got2b just at the lace. This is just to glue my lace down to my wig cap. So I just roughly spray it, and you can see as I blow dry it is giving off that white residue. Don't worry about that, you're gonna take care of that later on, because I actually just did the rough work on that, but it's fine. So right now I'm just cutting off the excess lace at the front of the wig because we're not gonna need that, definitely not. So I'm just cutting that off with my little scissors to be more precise. And right here I'm going ahead with this cotton bud and water, and just to, you know, clean those white residues that we saw. So as you can see, the white residues are off, and I'm just playing around my edges so it gives the type of edges I want pretty much. So I'm now spraying my hair with water. So that's just water in an empty bottle. So I just put water in and I'm spraying the hair and brushing it just so that it's manageable to be styled. So I just brush the hair and now I'm just styling it, putting it in the position I want it to be. So here I'm trying to create my own parting. So it came with the parting, but I didn't like where the parting was. So I'm going ahead with this mousse to set the hair to the direction I want it to be. So this mousse is pretty much gonna put your hair in the direction you want it to be. It gives it that shine and it gives the curves that you want to your hair. So I'm just applying that on my edges so my edges can lay flat to the position that I want it to be, and I place it to my parting so my hair can stay in the parting position that I want. And as you can see, I'm just applying it at the at the back and around the hair just so it get back that curve, because I brushed it so I still want the curve pattern. So I'm just applying that on the hair. Right now I'm using my tweezer and trying to pluck off the hairs to actually give it that that clean parting. So you just pluck it, you don't have to pluck so much, just pluck a little bit where you can see the line. So I'm trying to create the line, and pretty much everything is visual. And here I'm trying to create the baby hairs, nothing too crazy. I'm using the gossipy spray and my dryer, and I just try to do roughly a type of baby hair I want to have. So nothing crazy, just brushing it around, smoothing it around. I don't have a method of doing it, I'm just going with the flow pretty much. So just give it some baby hair, make it look a little bit realistic. And now I'm just gonna tie my hair flat with a silk wrap. This is to keep the hair, the front, the edges pretty much in the flat position. And from here, now I'm gonna move ahead to the makeup. So I've been doing my makeup, so you guys know pretty much how I do my makeup. I'm not gonna be ranting about that, and I'm gonna let you guys be. You watch how I'm gonna do my classy simple makeup, and I'm gonna see you at the end of the video. Okay, see you guys later. Enjoy. So now I'm gonna use my Fit Me powder and apply that at my parting line and at around my baby hair. This is just so it gives that that blend to my skin tone, and so it doesn't have too much of a shine. So right now I'm just brushing my hair, trying to style it to the way I like. And I go back to that mousse, and it's the mousse is an argan oil mousse, and I apply that on my hair as I did at the beginning. So this is just the finished touches, and this is just so that the curls pop up more, and pretty much just apply it around till you're satisfied, and this is it. Pretty much the end of everything. I styled the hair and installed it, and this hair is really good for the summer. Like, it's short, light, easy to manage, and you have this classy red lip with gold eyeshadow. Girl, you'll be popping, quarantine slay. Thank you all for watching to the end. If you're really interested about this hair and you want to get yours so you slay with me, I'll put the description, the link below. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I'm MT the Beauty. Peace out.